Hi friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and founder of Girl Camper, editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine. I'm here at the campground. All summer long, we have been brainstorming on fun ways that we can use aluminum trays at the campground. I love these because they're lightweight, they're easy to travel with, and they're reusable. I clean these things out multiple times before I have to throw in the towel on them. One of the things we've been doing all summer long is making popcorn in these. Be sure to go back to GoRVing.com and look for our popcorn video. We made our own homemade Jiffy Pops there. Another thing is it's an inexpensive way to organize the cabinets in your RV. So rather than this stuff moving all over with every turn you take, I pile a bunch of stuff in here. I like this height. It's about 2 inches, and that is tall enough for this kind of spices and things like that. So it's a good way of keeping everything in your fridge and in your cabinets from roaming all around. Another thing is, this is how I have been organizing my food in the fridge. Here are 3 different salads I made right at the salad bar at the grocery store. I whipped out my own Ziploc bags, and instead of putting them in the plastic containers, I made my salads directly in these Ziploc bags. I put them all here and I stashed that in my fridge, and I've got a weekend's worth of salad and they're not taking up a ton of room. When I am home and I make a pot of soup or I have any kind of leftover chili or anything, I like to grab the Ziploc bags, freezer Ziploc bags. Now these are the gusseted sandwich size. I like these because they fit nicely in the bottom of these tins. One of the things I do is a little bit of portion control. A 1 cup scooper, I put 2 cups in here. That's more than 1 serving. That's servings with a little leftovers. Zip that closed. I lay it in here and I flatten it out. I can stack these 2 or 3 deep in the back of my freezer, and then on travel day, I transfer the whole thing to my cooler or my RV refrigerator. When I want something good for dinner and it's a travel day, I can take out a single packet. I let that defrost in my refrigerator, and then when I get home, to the campground I should say, I transfer that defrosted, already cooked meal into one of these trays, and I use this as my foil packet. So instead of making a foil packet dinner, this becomes my foil packet. And yes, I do recycle my foil. I'm just one of those people. Waste not, want not. I will even clean this out and use it multiple times. So many fun things to do with aluminum trays at the campground. We'd love your feedback on what you're doing with aluminum trays. Be sure to head over to GoRVing.com for more of our fun camping hacks. Happy camping!